It was a very busy week, and so I was itching to get outdoors. So I went for a walk, and it was a beautiful morning. And it was just a time to reflect because it had been such a busy week with school and work. But I'm learning some really great things in Master Gardener's class. And right now we're studying soil health and how important it is to use organic matter in your soil and how that helps the plants and helps to fight off disease. And I'm just kind of pondering all that information that I'm getting and trying to think of ways that I can incorporate what I'm learning into my own ornamental garden. Because I do grow vegetables mostly for salad, but I need to really be able to incorporate this information into my ornamental garden because that's the focus of my garden. And it's important to me because I like my pretties, as you can see. And this stock was beautiful this week. So Sunday was a time of working in the garden, and I took some time to take some video of the garden to show you what's up in the garden this week. There's just something so refreshing and rejuvenating about being outside in the garden, and it just restores your soul, and it helps you to process all the information that your brain has received during the week. And it's just fun to see all the things in bloom right now. Some pretty calendula around the garden right now. And I seeded some more while I was out working in the garden. It's been so warm in February. The daffodils have gone through their blooming and are almost done. I have a few left. But my rose has decided it wants to bloom again, despite me cutting it back. And this is the smorgasbord of bulbs that I have in these two pots. These were the old bulbs that I took out when I replenished my beds. New blooms in the garden. And amazingly, my clematis is starting to grow and grow and grow. And it's so sweet to see. I hope it continues to do well. Some of you who've been watching my channel for a long time will know how I've struggled with clematis. So let's keep our fingers crossed on that one. Most of my workday in the garden involved pulling weeds along the fence line. And so to come up for air and take a breather, sit down, or just walk through the garden was such a joy. And you just got to take in these moments with this beautiful calendula that just is amazing me this year. The color on this baby is beautiful. So moments like these I cherish in the garden. And I have to say, turning this part of the garden, the spiral, into mostly cactus and succulents has really been a big help to me and paid off. That hard work paid off. And I don't have to care for that part of the garden near as much as the rest of the garden. So it's really been a time saver and a labor saver for me. Starting to get more action in those beds, those raised beds with the bulbs that I planted, and that's exciting to me. A few daffodils bloomed in the one, but the others haven't bloomed yet, but they're up and you'll see those. So soon we'll have blooms in the raised beds, and that's always exciting to me. And while I was editing this video, my friend Carla, we go way back to middle school. We went to middle school together and we were best of friends, and she moved away because her dad was in the service. Moved away to North Carolina, but we recently got back in touch. And while I was editing this video, she sent me a link. Her and her husband record Christian music and songs that they make, and really sweet song, beautiful song, a hymn. And I'll try and see if I can link it in the description of the video if you want to listen to it. Really beautiful. And her name's Carla Weiss, and really talented musicians. So what a blessing to be able to listen to that beautiful song and edit this video. And I hope that you guys really enjoy a peek at the garden this week. And it's such a relaxing thing to be able to get out in the garden after a busy week and just get rid of all your stress and all your worries and just rejuvenate your soul. It's God's gift to us. And boy, do I enjoy it. Now, I know there's a lot of people across the country and overseas that are not having this kind of weather. So I'm really counting myself as blessed to be able to enjoy my days outside because I do love to be outdoors. I hope you can get out there soon in your garden and just enjoy your garden and that it gives you as much peace and pleasure as it gives me. Now get out there and garden your hearts out.